The experience students would have on the built environment course is quite unique because they're all part-time students and you all have that knowledge of the sector already, and that knowledge supports collegiality within the learning. Students will be looking at anything to do with building maintenance, building management, inspections. They'll be looking at quality assurance processes. They'll also be looking at building services and any aspect of the built environment in that regard. Within the sector, our industry partners range from local authorities, local councils, to the housing associations, to larger construction firms like Taylor & P or Wilmot Dixon. As the students are already experienced within the construction sector, it gives them the opportunity to meet and network with other students within the built environment. We also then have the connections with the employers and with our industry partners, which gives them further networks and further opportunities for progression outside of the university. It's a great environment on the course. Students can draw on their experience and gives them different perspectives of how things are done elsewhere in South Wales.